Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, if you've been here before and like, wait a minute, is this the same person as before? Yes, it's me. I was going by Pardon My Beauty Crochet, but I changed my name to Honey Stitches. I like that name better. I wanted something different. And so if you ever order something from me and you get a tag that says Pardon My Beauty Crochet, then it's still me. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this video. I've been crocheting a lot. If you guys have been following my content, then you know I've been crocheting, I've been going live, I've been posting videos, I've been posting shorts for YouTube. So I'm just sitting here and I'm like, why don't I just record and show you guys what I've been doing so far? I have a lot of stuff that I've been doing, and also I've been making a lot of bags recently. And then I thought I'd show you guys what I've been making, which is just a few things. Then I will be crocheting something else. Where's the yarn at? I'm going to be using this yarn. What is this? The Bernat blanket. I can't even talk. Yeah, blanket yarn. Bernat, whatever, blanket yarn. I'm going to be using this. I've used this to make one of my other tote bags that I posted a video for. I'm going to try to make it into a little popsicle bag. Sorry for the noise in the background. It's always quiet until you have to do something and then kids start making noise. I am a mom, if you guys don't know. That's why sometimes it's hard to post content. That's why a majority of my videos will be voiceovers. Or if I'm on live and I go mute for a few minutes, just know that there's nothing wrong with the audio. My kids are making noise. Yeah, so either way, I'm going to use that yarn. I'm going to use some other yarn I have. I'm going to try to make a little popsicle bag. See how I can do that. Yeah, I'm going to see if I want to make it sideways or I don't know. I have to figure out how I'm going to do that. But you guys are going to watch me figure that out now. I don't know if I'm going to finish it on here, but hopefully I can. Sorry, we're just eating something, so hopefully nothing's on my tongue as I'm talking. But yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys a few things that I've been making. One of those things is this headband. This is a headband, not a hat. This is a ruffle headband. It was very easy. I just took an elastic, I think. Did I make a video? I think I made a little short. I just used one of these elastics. Excuse me. Took one of the yarns that I had and just made a headband. It was cute. I've been meaning to make one. And I'm like, okay, let me just do it. This is cute. I will be making more of those. If anybody would like one, I think I'm going to open up my Etsy shop back or my website. I'm not sure, but either way, I'm thinking about doing that. So yeah, this is 2 rows of ruffles. This is 4 double crochets, a row of single crochet, 4 double crochets in each stitch, and then another row of 3 single crochets in each stitch. And these are how the ruffles have turned out. I think they're very cute. I already wore this headband outside already. I love it. So yeah, let's get into it. So another thing that I just completed is this pouch. I made the pouch a while ago, but I never posted it because I wanted the snaps. The snaps came and then I broke the snap maker. So I can't put snaps on anything else. I tried and it's like messed up. So yeah, I just used the same blanket yarn. Was this skein? I think this is from that skein, but I have another skein which I'm going to show you guys. Actually, that might be from the other skein, but I'll show you guys the 2 bags that I made from the other skein. And with this, but I just put my daughter's old jeans in here that she couldn't fit anymore. The snaps and this is cute. This could be a little I don't know, you can put your pad in here, you can put some change cards, some money, I don't know what you want to put in here, your lip gloss, whatever is lined, and nothing's gonna fall out. If you put it in the bottom of your pocketbook, just snap it, whatever, and nothing's gonna fall out. So yeah, I have those snaps. This little pouch. So the next thing is gonna be this bag, and as you guys can see, I think everyone saw this bag. You guys saw me making this on live. Somebody asked me for a tutorial, but I just don't have it in me to make a tutorial for this bag. I'll have to really sit and rewrite it all the way out. And I don't feel like doing that. But this is a cute little tote bag that I made. If you would like this bag, you can purchase this bag. It's not lined or anything. But yeah, if you would like this bag, you can have it. If not, then it will just sit where it was sitting at. But I like this bag. It didn't take me that long to make. It was very easy. If you go watch my live, you can see what I was doing. It's the Barbie head, if you can't figure out what it is. I'm getting into doing my tapestry. I still have a lot of practicing that I need to do. And I want to get into making like blankets with the tapestry, but just to expand all of that just is a lot for me because I get bored very easy doing the same thing over and over and over again. I still have a blanket over here that I never finished. And I don't know if I'm going to continue on making that blanket, to be honest, but let's get into something else that I made. If you've seen the bags and stuff that I'm showing you right now that I made, thank you guys for staying and continue watching. I can't talk for some reason and I'm a little sleepy. Thank you guys for watching this video and staying. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe. Thank you for all the new viewers and subscribers to my channel. I really appreciate the support. But we're gonna get into another bag. Okay, so here is a duffel bag that I made. It was very easy to make, very cute. I did all of the straps, everything that a normal duffel bag would have. Here's the inside. I lined the inside of the bag. Yeah, I really love this bag. I think it's very cute. It's my first time making like a duffel bag inspired bag or a duffel bag. I do want to add a zipper to it, but I'm like, my zippers did come, but I'm not sure if I want to do that anymore. But I really like this bag, and I would definitely wear this outside. You can wear it by whatever strap you want. You can wear this strap. You can do these. Obviously, if you put something in it, it'll form out. And it's really cute, and I think I want to make all colors. I have got these from, I don't know if I got these from Temu or Amazon. I can't remember where I got these from, but I got these to make keychains, and I'm like, this would be perfect to add to the bag to add the long strap. So that's what I did. Okay, so for the rest of the bags, I thought I would just get up so I can show you guys. So this is the camera bag, inspired bag that I made. I really like it. It's cute. It's lined. I tried to add a snaps, but like I said, my snap thing broke, so it's not really gonna be secure. I'm gonna try to crazy glue it together so I can continue adding the snaps. I don't really want to put a zipper on this, but I would love to have snaps on it. I lined the inside. I got my lining from, where I got my lining from? From the Family Dollar / Dollar Tree that's mixed together. They didn't have a lot. It looks like they're consolidating. I don't know if they're gonna go out of business, but I just grabbed a few things. Yeah, so I just grabbed a few things. So that's what I grabbed. So I put the little handle that would normally be on the little wrist part of the camera. This is the lens, obviously, the flash, and then a little peephole to see through, whatever you want to call it. But I think it's very cute. The straps are cute, and I'm not mad about that. So yeah, let's get into it. The back doesn't have anything on it, but I did use double-stranded. I did double strand this bag, so I think that's really good. Next bag that I have is this one. I got these from Temu. That came, which I had this bag made for a while, but I never showed you guys because it wasn't finished. I didn't have the straps on there. I didn't line this one. I still could, but I don't think I will To be honest, it doesn't need. It does have a base at the bottom, so that's really cute. Like I said, I might be posting some of these bags on Etsy or somewhere. I'll let you guys know, but if not, I'll just keep them. It doesn't matter to me. I really like them. I would like serious inquiries. If you want something, you would have to go look up get the link that you see. I'm gonna post it. If I post the link under this video, I'll come back if it's not when I post a video, but after, just keep checking. If you would like to purchase something, just let me know. And be serious, because the only way I know you're serious is if when you go to the link, click it, go to it, and purchase it. That's it. I'm not hassling nobody to purchase it, but this is just a few things that I've made. So I finished this bag, I think, yesterday. It's really cute. Another tote bag. This one I did add a zipper to, but I didn't line the bag, and I don't care because it doesn't need to be lined. Hold on, let me struggle with the zipper. So yes, I added a zipper to it. I think the zipper tied everything in. It's really cute. It's really, really cute, as you guys can see. And it just looks the same on both sides of the bag. So I'm not the best sewer when I line things, so if you don't like the way that looks, you're just gonna have to deal with it, because I'm very transparent when I sell things. If I'm not the best sewer, I'll let you know. If you want the bag lined, I'm not the best sewer. I'll try to make it as neat as possible. I don't have any complaints, so I don't think anybody else would complain, but those are just a few of the things that I've made. I do have some hats in here, but I'm not gonna show you guys that, but let's get into the other thing that I will be making. Okay guys, so I kind of started making the ice cream cone, and instead of making it a bag, I think I'm just gonna make it a like a chunky keychain or whatever, a bag charm. I do have a big pocketbook. Maybe I could attach it to my pocketbook, but here's what I have so far. Obviously it's gonna be closed. It's not gonna need to be stuffed, and it's not really looking like anything right now, but it will soon. Okay guys, so I turned this into, instead of the ice cream cone, I turned this into an oversized keychain. Not keychain, what is this called? A bag charm you could put on if you want to like junk your bag. You know, next to your little Labubu or whatever else you put on your bag. I think that would be cute. Nice and plushy, oversized, chunky, whatever theme you have for your bag. So that's what I have right now. And this is the end of the video, but thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next. Make sure you watch the tutorials also, because a lot of people ask me, tell me that they're new to crochet, but they don't watch my beginner videos. So make sure you guys go run those up to 1 million views. But thank you guys, and this is the end of the video. I'll show you what it looks like on a bag.